Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, after a very pleasant day yesterday, we are seeing the return of heat and humidity here at Wallops today, and we're going to continue to see that heat and humidity stay in the region throughout the week today, this week, and into the weekend as well, as we'll see more humid air mass and some scattered shower and thunderstorm chances as we go through the week as well. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see high pressure sitting off the southeast coast. That's going to bring us more of a southwesterly flow as we go throughout the next several days, and we'll bring in that heat and humidity. A little bit higher humidity levels are expected tomorrow than what we will see today, but it's still going to be pretty hot out there with those temperatures expected around 90 degrees today. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing the winds generally out of a westerly direction at the lower levels of the atmosphere, turning more northwesterly as we get up to around 6,000 feet, and then turning back to the west as we get up to around 25,000 feet. And as you can see, a very light wind regime throughout the first 25,000 feet as high pressure ridges overhead this morning, and we see those light winds through the column. Freezing level this morning is at 14,700 feet. Taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see mostly clear skies, but just a little bit of high-level cirrus cloudiness overhead this morning. That high pressure really in control over the mid-Atlantic region. And after a dry day yesterday with those humidity levels, again, we'll see a little bit more humidity as we go throughout the afternoon today, and we'll see some cumulus development as well. Not looking for any real chances for precipitation, but we will see a little bit of convective activity off to our northwest that we'll examine here in just a couple of minutes. But first, I want to take a look here at our current temperatures throughout the region. You can see temperatures already in the low 80s throughout much of the area, 82 degrees here at Wallops, and then readings in the low 80s throughout the Delmarva Peninsula. Off to our south and west, similar readings with temperatures right around 80 degrees. Again, we're going to see those temperatures rising as we go throughout the day today. Looking at our forecast model here for the next several days, you can see, pausing this image here for this afternoon, really nothing in our local area as we go into the afternoon hours, but as we get into the evening hours, we're going to see a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity off to our north. That is going to be decaying as it drops south across the Delmarva later this evening, and by about midnight tonight we're going to see most of that shower activity begin to dissipate. By the morning hours of Wednesday, everything should be pretty much dissipated by that time, and we'll see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies but dry conditions here at Wallops. And then as we go through the day again on Wednesday, we'll start to see a little bit more shower and thunderstorm activity developing during the evening hours. I think we'll see a slightly higher chance of some precipitation on Wednesday evening than what we will tonight, as most of that activity again will be focused off to our north, but a little higher chances each day as we go throughout the week. As we get into Thursday, you can see here more scattered shower and thunderstorm activity around the Wallops region, mostly confined to the afternoon and evening hours for each day. And then as we go into Friday, you're going to see more shower and thunderstorm activity developing. These will be very slow movers when they do develop, as you saw on our upper level wind profile this morning. Those winds are very light, so any shower or thunderstorm that does develop this week has the potential of dropping some pretty heavy rainfall if you do get it right overhead. So we have been pretty dry here in the local Wallops region, so hopefully we'll see some of that rain activity as we go throughout the week, kind of help with this drought condition that we have been experiencing here for the last 2 to 3 weeks. But looking at 4th of July for your fireworks display, again, a chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it's not going to be a washout for all locations. They'll be pretty isolated, scattered in nature, and best chances will come later in the week as we get into Friday and into Saturday. Taking a look here at our 24-hour forecast and what we can expect. Again, no real hazards, as we'll see partly cloudy and hot conditions today with a high temperature of 91 degrees. Overnight tonight, very mild and humid conditions with a low only getting down to 76 degrees. Again, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms in the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, but not expecting them in the Wallops region, as they should die out as they make their way toward the south and east. So for the next 7 days, we're looking at, again, a more unsettled pattern beginning tomorrow, looking at about a 10% chance of precipitation, probably a better chance of seeing some lightning within 10 miles Wednesday evening, as we see a very hot and humid air mass build into the region. Our hottest day of the week looks to be tomorrow, as we'll see that high temperature in the mid-90s, likely getting up to around 95 degrees here at Wallops. And then as we go into Thursday, a little bit higher chance than what we'll see on Wednesday, and those scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible during the afternoon as well. And then on Friday, looking at the probably the best chance during the week, as we'll see more numerous showers and thunderstorms popping up across the region on Friday and Saturday, as we really get that instability and heat building in, continuing into the weekend. Seeing those chances at around 60% for Friday, 55% for Saturday, and then those chances dropping to about 30% on Sunday, with high pressure building back into the region for the first part of next week, and a little bit cooler air mass as well, with those temperatures dropping into the upper 80s for daytime highs. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.